Good morning. It's a nice Wednesday morning. It's like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or something, and I never wake up in the morning, so I'm happy to get started early. And my shop slowed down a little bit so I can get most of these orders done. I'm trying to wake up still, so let's get to cleaning the office because it's kind of really bad in here. And yeah. I hope that you don't mind that this vlog is super not talkative today. I've done nothing but package orders all week, and it's really hard to talk while I'm packaging. It takes me so much longer. I'm interested in which kind of style of videos that you guys like to watch. Do you like videos with tons of music, or do you like more talkative videos? Let me know below. I'm still experimenting with the type of way I want to film and stuff. So I've been participating in Mermay, and this is the first year that I've actually tried to do something. I'm not following a prompt because I don't like to put any pressure on myself, because then I won't do it. But I'm on my 5th mermaid and it's almost the end of the month, so props to people who can do a mermaid every day. I mean, people do them ahead of time and stuff, but that is still amazing to me. Between like real life and doing orders and restocking my shop and all of that, there's no way I'd have time to do that. But I'm really happy with the ones that I've gotten done so far. Also, I feel like I draw really slowly. Sometimes it takes me like a whole day to do a sketch. Let me know if I'm the only one. So this mermaid, she doesn't have a body, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna make her a sticker yet, but we'll see how she goes. She's still kind of cute. She's like a little creeper mermaid. I think she turned out pretty cute. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with her, like I said, but we shall see. And I think we are going to end the vlog here for the day. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching and that you still found it interesting, even though I did basically nothing but package orders. But I definitely have more stuff planned for the next vlog. I'm super excited. I'm going to be redoing my office a little bit, so you're going to watch me build some furniture and get a little more organized. So I hope to see you guys next time, and thank you so much if you've made it to the end of this video or if you've subscribed. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!